Hello there, earthlings. Yes, that's right. World famous for man to see you again. I hope you're well and fighting fit and doing the exercises and bringing oxygen to the brain. Yes, that's right. So, Reminder Man is going to be talking about a trip that he did at the beginning of the year. Yes, that's right. It's all about experiences. And you know what? The Reminder Man decided to go to, guess where? Italy. Yes, that's right. And I went to Milan. Yes, that's right. Fantastic. Mamma mia. What's it all about? Yeah, what's it all about? So this is a nice globe here. You can see that's a nice souvenir from Milan. Yes, that's right. And there's a picture of the Duomo as well, which we'll talk about later on. Yes, that's right. Do you like my nice cakes as well? Look at this Patoni cake. Nice little Christmassy type cakes here. Look at that. Look, just fantastic. Yes, that's right. Really look at that nice packaging there, all the way from Milan. Yes, that's right. You can put that on a Christmas tree if you wanted to. Or how about some earrings for you ladies? Yes, that's right. So anyway, we're going to be talking about Milan. And basically, this video is going to be two parts. We're going to talk about Milan and we're also going to talk about the fashion. Yes, that's right. So Milan is a metropolis in Italy's northern Lombardy region. It's the global capital of fashion and design, home to the National Stock Exchange. It's a financial hub, also known for its high-end restaurants and shops. The Gothic Duomo del Milanio Cathedral as well. Yes, that's right. If you get a chance, go and see that. It's really breathtaking. You can see some gargoyles as well on there. And it's really nice and big as well. The population is about 1.3 million. And the things to do there is go to the Duomo, the cathedral, and the Galleria Vittoria. The Galleria Vittoria shopping centre, it is fabulous. When the Reminder Man went there, all eyes were on me. Yes, yes, right. The whole of the Milan just crashed down. They were looking at me everywhere I went. They all thought, fantastic, who on earth is this high-profile guy walking around? But they don't know. But you know, earthlings. Yes, yes, right. And then also, there are shops. There's also shops like fashion stores like Versace, Louis Vuitton. Yes, yes, right. I went to Louis Vuitton, Dior, etc. There are numerous places to eat as well in there. You can try a cappuccino. Yes, yes, right. Have a little cappuccino. And also a panzerotti. Yes, yes, right. I just love that panzerotti. Yes, yes, right. You can also have a tiramisu, gelato, ice cream, and pizzas and pasta. So there's a whole lot of Italian flavors out there. Yes, yes, right. Also went to the Versace store and the Dolce Gabbana. Yes, yes, right, the Dolce Gabbana store, and also went to the Dolce Gabbana restaurant. You can see from my Instagram pictures what a fabulous place that was. Yes, yes, right. So there's a lot of things to do there as well. You can even you can travel by foot. You can travel by cable car. You can travel by bike as well. But yes, that's a really fabulous place to look at, and also a lot of things to do. And also I went to the Lake Como, which is the northern Italy's Lombardy region. It's a capital resort known for its scenery, and also Italy's Lombardy region. It's a picturesque resort area known for its dramatic scenery set against the foothills of the Alps. I also went on the ferry to go and see different parts of the region there, and it was really breathtaking. Yes, yes, right. So basically, the Reminder Man went to Milan. Yes, yes, right. It was fantastic. And while I was there, I decided to buy some fashion garments. Yes, yes, right. Because you all know the Vomina man has to be the best, and I am the best. You all know that, earthlings, and I know that as well. So I actually went to the Dolce Gabbana store and I bought a special item which I'll show you in a minute. But before we do that, let's look at the outfit of the day of the Vomina man. Starting from the bottom, look at these nice Dolce Gabbana trainers as well. Look at this. Yes, when I go at the back as well, you can see the Dolce Gabbana written on there. Doesn't that look just fantastic? Yes, yes, right. Looking just great. Then we got the Dolce Gabbana joggers as well here as well as we go to the top. Nice luxury item here. You can relax with this with the zips as well. And we also got a nice Dolce Gabbana t-shirt as well. Yes, yes, right. Nice t-shirt. We got also the Dolce Gabbana ring as well. You can see that. Doesn't that look like just bling bling? We also got another Dolce Gabbana ring. We also got the Dolce Gabbana bracelet. Can you have a look at that, earthlings? Yes, yes, right. Nothing for the best for the Vomina man. Then we also got the Dolce Gabbana earrings as well. Take a look at that. Yes, yes, right. Dolce Gabbana. And then we also got the masterpiece, the Dolce Gabbana sunglasses. Look at these. Doesn't it look just like fantastic? Bling, bling. Yes, yes, right. Then we also have a Dolce Gabbana watch as well. Yes, yes, right. Dolce Gabbana. So look at that. I'm Dolce Gabbana out. Yes, yes, right. Yes, and we also have the Dolce Gabbana pendant as well. Look at that. Have a look at that, earthlings. Yes, yes, right. Is any man out there can catch me up? I don't think so, because I am the man on the speed of light. As you can see, the Vomina man travels through the universe, and I go and see different people all around the universe. And I have to look good, because I am the world famous Vomina man. And you better not forget that, earthlings. Anyway, let's go and look at the fashion accessory, what the Vomina man got as well. Yes, yes, right. So this is the Dolce Gabbana nice bag here as well with this outfit in there. Yes, yes, right. Are you ready to look at that? So don't blink, because if you blink, you're gonna miss it. Yes, yes, right. So let's get this zip open up as well. So this is the nice Dolce Gabbana jacket. Yes, yes, right. Look at that goldness in there. Doesn't that look just fantastic? Look at that nice, really goldish, silky type material as well. And look at that nice back as well. And as you can see, it's a nice crown. So this is the Royal Edition. It's a Royals Edition. Yes, yes, right. Dolce Gabbana Royal Edition they did back in the day. And this is DG Dolce Gabbana Royals, as you can see. Yes, yes, right. As you can see, it says on, what does it say on it? It says fashion for fashion. Yes, yes, right. Yes, look at that. Look at that. Just be king. Yes, yes, right. You guys know that. Who is king? I am the world famous Vomina man. I am the king. Yes, yes, right. And look at this nice there as well. Look at that nice collar bit as well, which says king on there as well. Dolce Gabbana, DG King. Yes, yes, right. And you can see the nice luxury zip on there as well. And it's really fantastic. Bling, bling. Yes, yes, right. So imagine if I wore this around Milan again. Boy, they're gonna just like jump on me like flies. Yes, yes, right. As you can see, this is the Dolce Gabbana as well label on there. And you can see the Dolce Gabbana, yeah, authenticity as well. Yes, yes, right. Nothing but the best for the Vomina man. Yes, yes, right. And you can see the nice little air vents in as well, keeping me nice and cool. Yeah, you can see the labels on there as well. So anyway, it's time to put it on. Yes, yes, right. Let's put this jacket on right now and show you guys who the Vomina man is, the world famous. Yes, yes, right. I need to look the best because I am the best. Yes, yes, right. Don't Watch your space and look at what's happening right now. Look at that, fantastic. Yes, look at that nice material there, gold as well. Yes, really precious metal as well, which is gold. Yes, right. Just like gold bullion bars. Yeah, look at that nice jacket, and we're going to do now 360 as well. Yes, right. Look at that from the back as well. That looks just great. Yes, right. Greatness from within, and look at that. It's just fantastic. Now, wasn't that just looking marvelous? Yes, right. Who's the boss right now? Well, my man is. Yes, right. So this was a short video for you guys to see about the Von Marneman. And the weather's getting better, so don't be a potato couch. Start doing some exercises, get out and be fit as well and be active. Get rid of this negative energy. There's a lot of negative energy around, so try and be a bit positive. Yes, right. Get rid of that negative energy and start moving forward. Yes, right. And follow my Instagram channel as well, Von Marneman, and my YouTube channel, Von Marneman as well. But anyway, it's an emergency. Yes, right, it's an emergency. And when it's an emergency, meet me back at Von Marneman. Yes, right. I'm going back up to Von Marneman because today we're going to be trying some Italian food up there. Yes, right. Everybody wants to know what the Italian food tastes like. So I'm going to be taking my 2 pieces of cakes that I've got from Milan. Yes, right. And they can all have a little munch at that and see what it tell me all about it. Yes, right. Well, I must go right now and subscribe to my channel, as I said, and enjoy this music. And there's only one thing to do. Yes, right. When you're wearing a king outfit like this, and as you can see, it does say just be king, there's only one thing to do, and that is put the crown on. Yes, right. Let's put the crown on right now. Yes, right. Yeah. Look, who's the king right now? I am. Yes, right. And I'm looking just fantastic. As they say, King and I. Yes, right. Welcome to my kingdom. So anyway, I love you lots and see you soon and take care. Ta-ra for now and be good and keep smiling because I'm smiling for you earthlings. Ha ha ha.